In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal dashboard in Notion. A personal dashboard is a great way to keep the most important parts of your life organized in one place. Instead of jumping between different apps, notebooks, or scattered pages, you can build a simple home base that helps you see your tasks, goals, routines, and plans at a glance. The key here is not to make it complicated. A useful dashboard should feel clear, practical, and easy to maintain. To begin, create a new page in Notion and treat it as your main personal dashboard. This will be the page you return to every day or every week, so give it a clean title and keep the layout easy to scan. Think of it as your personal command center where everything important can live in one organized space. Next, add sections for the main areas you want to manage. A strong starting point is to include space for tasks, goals, habits, finances, notes, and projects. These categories cover most personal planning needs, and they give your dashboard structure right away. You do not need to fill every section with lots of content on day one. Even a simple framework is enough to help you get started. For your to-do list, create a basic daily or weekly task list. Keep it straightforward so it is actually useful. A shorter list that you can realistically complete is often much better than a long list that becomes overwhelming. You can update it regularly and use it to stay focused on what matters most right now. If you want to keep track of routines, add a habit tracker. This can help you monitor things like exercise, reading, hydration, or any repeated habit you are trying to build. The goal is visibility and consistency, not perfection. So keep your tracker simple enough that you will actually use it. Then create a section for personal notes. This is where you can store ideas, reminders, and quick thoughts or anything you want to remember later. Having one dedicated place for notes makes it easier to capture information without losing it. After that, add a calendar element for appointments, deadlines, or upcoming plans. This helps you connect your tasks with real dates, which is especially useful when you need to balance responsibilities and personal goals. Finally, make a habit of reviewing your dashboard regularly and keeping it simple. A dashboard only works if it stays relevant and easy to use. As your needs change, adjust it, remove clutter, and focus on the sections that truly help you. That is how you build a Notion dashboard that supports your daily life instead of adding extra complexity.